Well, the company started in a kitchen of the previous owner.
And he would go around to various different businesses and repair their CNC machines. And then he realized that a lot of the need was for a part that will actually stay running, the need to be able to extend the lifetime of these machines.
Went from a garage, built more team members, and here we are now 2 locations.
Machine uptime is critical to our customers. Our customers, when they are down, they need that part and they need it fast.
We want to be a go hard for our customers. Let them know that we're here for them, to support them. We don't want them to be down at all. We try to make it so traditionally that we always have the part ready for the customer out that day.
Sometimes downtime can be upwards of 6 figures an hour, and it really becomes critical to get that machine back running quickly. We have worked with OuterBox for about 8 years now. In the past 2 years, we decided to make a shift and start focusing very heavily on SEO for our Fanic World campaign.
One of the best things that we have within the relationship is just a very close connection with Heather and her extension of her team as well. We participate in actually quarterly planning sessions where we're talking through what are the objectives that we're looking to accomplish, how do we align and determine who's going to do what by when. I think it comes down to not being templated in the approach that we take. It's really tailoring it to what is the focus right now and what is the focus going to be moving forward in 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. And matching whatever the business objectives and priorities are.
One thing that OuterBox has been able to really help us with is making sure that our SKUs are the #1 result on Google. And being able to do that has really impacted our revenue. When things were tough and we were seeing revenue go down in a lot of different areas of our business during some of the tariff scare, one thing that didn't really falter was our organic growth. While other channels were dropping, we saw an 8% increase in revenue just from our Fanic World SEO and organic keyword results.
A lot of it came down to the optimizations that were being done on their product pages. Our team worked collaboratively both within the SEO department and then also with our UX designers to make sure we created page templates that were easy to scan, easy to read, and provide a good user experience, but we're also delivering the content to the engines the way that they needed to be able to be found.
OuterBox helped us scope out a complete change to our landing page that had conversion rate optimization. It helped educate customers on what we do and why we do it and why they should choose us. From the beginning of changing that landing page to the next month, we saw a 254% increase in our ROI. When a customer is down, there's an urgency there, and they need a part fast, or they need to know how to diagnose an issue fast. Our partnership with OuterBox has allowed us to really capitalize on those moments and be the first call, which is so mission critical to our business, and to be there for our customers to get them back up again.